Hello, good afternoon. Today is the 26th of February 2018, and on today's video I'm going to be talking about how to create a MyEtherWallet. Now, before I get down to this video, I would like to state that all information stated on this video is not financial advice, but it is my own journey and just trying to show you how to do it the way I would do it, and shall not be seen as the gospel. So let's get down to this video. Now, first thing first, when you want to create a MyEtherWallet, we know that you go to the website. So most people generally just type MyEtherWallet and click on the first link. Now, this is not advisable because we have things called phishing websites. Now, phishing with a PH, which then means that they are trying to access or attempting to access sensitive information as usernames, passwords, credit card information, and so on and so forth. Now, how can I be sure that the first link is not a phishing website? Now, I use two major extensions on Chrome to help with this purpose. Now, the first one is called EAL, which is Ether Address Lock. By clicking on this first link, it takes me to MyEtherWallet, or you can also use Kryptonite. Now, using Kryptonite, you just go under bookmarks, and down here I have my MyEtherWallet address, myether.com. Now, you wait for this website to load, and once it's loaded, you would have all the information. You should be at the right MyEtherWallet website, which should not be a phishing site. Now, how do you confirm that this is the website for cases where you just used the search? Now, when the website is done loading, right at the top here where the logo for the Kryptonite sits, the Kryptonite logo should turn green, which then shows you that you are on the right website. Now, this doesn't only work for MyEtherWallet, but it works for many other cryptocurrency sites like CoinBase and so on and so forth, which could be set at risk of you losing your private keys, your passwords, and so on and so forth, which we do not want to do because this is our hard-earned money and nobody wants to just throw money away. And as you can see right at the top here, MyEtherWallet website tells you to do the same exact things. Bookmark the website, install EAL, Kryptonite, and MetaMask. And as you can see, it reads green, which means we have go ahead. So the first thing you need to do to create a MyEtherWallet is to type in a password you want. So I will just type in make-believe password since I'm not using this account either ways, and then you click on create new wallet, and then it tells you to download key store files. By clicking on this, you download the file. Now you now click on I understand. Now it gives you a warning, do not lose it, because without this file you will not be able to access your account, and you will need to make copies. I advise make copies on flash drives, pen drives, or so on and so forth. Then click on I understand, and here it gives you your private key. Now you want to keep this also private, as it says private key, so keep your private key private. Best thing, I believe, write it down on a sheet of paper, and then next you say save your address. Now it takes you to the place where you need to log in to your account, and here you have key store, and by clicking on that, it tells you to select the wallet file. Now it takes you to files on your PC, and right here under you see downloaded file. I open it, and from that it gives you to type in your password. So I will type in my password and then click unlock. Now once you're done with this, to show you that your account has successfully been decrypted, and here you have your address, you have the barcode for your address, and then you have your private key. Now by clicking on this, you'll be able to see your private key. You see how much tokens you have, and you can easily send funds to different accounts and so on and so forth. So this is how I would create a MyEtherWallet if I were to use the website directly. So if you have any questions, do leave them down in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get through to them. And all the best. So if you enjoyed that content, be sure to leave a like, possibly subscribe and click on the notification bell, because we have so much more great information and tutorials coming your way on the Crypto Doctor. Until next time, peace.